When he wasn't leading his troops into battle or overseeing one of the great musical scenes of Berlin of the mid-18th century, King Frederick the Great of Prussia was a fine composer in his own right. And
we interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber child abduction alert.
An Amber alert has been issued out of Fairfax County, Virginia. Police are looking for 3-year-old Amelia Krause. She also goes by Mimi. They believe she's with her mother, Catherine Krause, driving either a white Subaru sedan with Virginia plate EGLSWS or a black Volkswagen SUV with Massachusetts plate WS5025. Amelia is white with brown hair, blue eyes. She's just over 3 feet tall and was last seen wearing a pink Boston Red Sox shirt, pink and gray tights, and a pair of white and pink Under Armour shoes. Police say Mimi was taken from the house in Fort Hunt area at around 4:25 p.m. this afternoon. She was last seen at Taxmont Road in Alexandria, Virginia.
We are repeating tonight, there is an Amber alert out for a 3-year-old girl, Amelia Krause, who also goes by Mimi, and you want to look out for a couple different possible vehicles here. A white Subaru sedan, Virginia tags EGL SWS, or a black Volkswagen SUV with Massachusetts plates WS5025. Stay here for the latest information.
On behalf of the Virginia State Police, an Amber Alert is being activated for a missing child, believed to have taken forcibly by her non-custodial mother. Child 1, 3-year-old Amelia Krause, white female, 3 foot, 34 pounds. Last seen wearing a pink Boston Red Sox shirt, pink and gray tights, and a pair of white and pink Under Armour shoes. Suspect, Catherine Agnes Krause, white female, blonde hair, brown eyes, 5 foot, 10 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. She is believed to be wearing a wig and has shaved her head. Vehicle, 2010 black Volkswagen Touareg. License, Massachusetts registration, Whiskey, Sierra 5025. Location, area, Frederick, Maryland. Contact the Fairfax County Police Department at 703-877-3877 or 3840, or visit twitter.com VS Palster or dial 911.
a fine composer in his own right. And
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area.